Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. So we start off with the morning, of course, grabbing a Monster. We gotta crack open a Monster. Probably gotta do another one. I'm super tired. I'm pretty drained of energy. Whoops. So, as you guys are aware, I haven't been driving one of the cars. The reason why it has a blown motor. Which car is it? I'm not gonna tell you. I'm actually just joking. None of the cars have a blown motor. But speaking of motors, we've actually done something pretty well. I'm pretty sure if you follow my Instagram is gonna be right over here. I post a lot of stuff on Instagram, on my story, so that way you guys can see it before I upload the video. But we did pick up an LS motor. I'm actually very excited because I've always wanted to do an LS swap in the E46. So I've never done anything with the motor, never pulled out a motor, never done a lot of it, and I'm trying to figure out how to put it onto the stand. I know that's stupid, it's silly, but never done it, but figuring it out. That's what we're supposed to do. But the inspiration behind this is I've been always wanting to do an E46 with an LS swap in it, trying to do something dumb, push some crazy power out of it, because I know it'll be fun. Second is, if you watch Evan Shanks, he's also doing an LS swap in his E350Z, and it'll be pretty cool to hopefully go to a car meet with him and I, with both the LS swaps and both the different cars that it's supposed to originate from. So, and it's American Muscle V8, so I'm actually pretty excited. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time, but that's not the only thing that we picked up. We also picked up another little toy. So if you guys aren't just car enthusiasts, but some of y'all probably are bike enthusiasts. So you picked up a 1987 BMW K75. So this bike is gonna get stripped, repainted, and all that stuff. Have a lot of stuff coming out for this. So we're gonna be having a lot of content for this, content for this, content for this, content for that. So today I'm trying to strip it, trying to put it on the stand first, and then strip everything off of it, and then go from there. And then this one, we're gonna make this into a cafe style racer. And oh, another thing is, if we're in the shop today, so if you haven't noticed, I've repainted the entire walls, and so it was originally white, so we repainted it nice little gray because we have another tool coming in pretty soon this week. I'm excited to share that with you guys. This motor is completely fine, it's completely great. I just want to do something stupid, something different, something bold. I was like, let's just throw a V8 in here and see it. Eventually, a V8 in this baby, or a turbo. One of those two. I'm sure I'm gonna go turbo with this because I like this with turbo. This one, we're gonna go a V8, something stupid. So we have a lot of stuff coming out for this, and a lot of stuff coming out in just general. Also want to show you guys an update about the whole BMW over here and outside. I'm still waiting for parts to come in, but I did get a lot of it done, but I didn't show you guys. It's pretty bright outside, but the BMW, whoa, let's see if you guys can see this. So, as you guys remember, this entire passenger side was messed up. Focus. All right, cool. So we got everything on. We got all the control arms. We got the strut on. We got both. Whoa. All right, let's see. That's probably better. So we got new headlights on. We've got all new control pieces on. So all that's great. And then I just need to replace the radiator. As you guys can see, it has a big gouge in it. A couple of the pieces are broken, but we're still waiting for some parts to come in. Alright, so a couple things are, I want to try and wash the core today because I went to Houston and got bug splatter everywhere on the car. And it needs to have a nice little wash since I wrap it. And again, I still got to do delivery on this. All the material, all that stuff is here. I just got to do it. Just been super busy with everything going on. Plus my brother's graduating from med school in next week. So been planning that, a lot's been going on, and bear with me guys, I'm telling you a lot of stuff's coming out for you guys. Really do appreciate all your space and support. Whew. So Dennis is about to come here pretty shortly. He's gonna be working on the bike, stripping that down. I'm gonna be tackling this baby over here. Guys, we're gonna do something really dumb. We're gonna rebuild this V8 beautiful motor. If you guys have parts for this or anything like that, please message me through Instagram or email me. It's gonna be in the description. Let's see what we can make. Try to see if we can push 800. I know that's probably absurd, but how dope would that be? But let's see, let me go ahead and get this mounted to the stand and go from there. Alright guys, so I got a lot of this motor stripped, still working at it. Again, majority of it's over here. Got off the wiring harness, got off the headers, got off a couple of random stuff. Now I'm trying to tackle, like, trying to get rid of everything else. Again, if you guys have anything for this engine or anything like that, you know, you guys can always send some stuff over to us. You know, we gladly appreciate all that stuff. Continue tackling this. I'll be back shortly. So we got the intake plenum removed right over there. Now we got the entire core. Trying to figure out how we're gonna remove this. Need to vacuum and clean all this stuff up. But I think I'm gonna be holding it up at this moment right now. Gotta remove a couple of these hoses. I want to clean this up, but I need to find my vacuum to clean all this up, and then I'm gonna remove each and one of them and clean it up even better. Dennis over here, what you working on?
I'm working on a 1987 BMW K75K. These are all the parts that I've taken off so far today. The buckets, the seats, basically all the fenders I've taken off. Just give you a hint, Cafe Racer. That's what's coming up with this baby.
So what color should we do this? So that's a big dilemma right now. So we're trying to figure out what color we want to do this and what color we're going to do that as well. So comment below to tell us what you guys think. Maybe meteor tires in the rear, for sure. I'm thinking that. What you thinking?
Definitely.
Fat tires. You know how we do with the fat tires on here and on here. Boys, just want to give you guys a quick update on the motor. It is the next day. As you guys can tell, it's the beautiful sunny outside. It's about not going to be the same. It's going to be pouring outside next week. But in the meantime, I got the motor somewhat stripped. I got it stripped enough to where I want it for right now. And then I just got to remove all of this. Got to remove the heads. And then I'm going to remove everything just to get to the block. I'm going to remove the oil pan, all that stuff. I want to degrease this entire block, all this like that. So I got to remove a couple of these hoses right over here for the power steering. All that stuff is going to be coming off. But I got it to the point where I need to go get the vacuum to clean up all this dirt, plug this up, degrease it, clean it up, brush it up. And then for that, now with the bike. So the bike itself was a pain. One of the bolts for the axles got stuck because one of the struts went bad, so all the load was on one of the other struts. So we had to weld on another bolt to it and then remove it from that way because the head got stripped. So now the bike is pretty much stripped. Got everything over there. If you guys want anything for the K75, please hit me up on Instagram for it. But we were waiting for a lot of these parts to come in. Again, let us know what color you guys want to see this and what color I should do this engine for the BMW for the E46. Should I do something Skittles or if I should use another color? Like, I want to do something pretty badass. I definitely don't want to do chrome or polish or anything like that. I want to do something pretty, probably orange. I don't know, thinking orange heads or orange headers. Let me know. Or maybe this color. We'll see.